How to do lunges. Lunges are an exercise that targets the quads, glutes, hamstrings and our calves. It engages many muscles in one move and also increases core strength. One good thing about lunges is that you do not need any equipment to perform this exercise. First we take the hip width stance, then we take a large step forward. Now slowly lower your body down until the knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Here you can see my front thigh is parallel to the ground and my back knee is pointing perpendicular to the ground. Now I push back up to the initial position, keeping my weight on the front foot, and take my lead leg back to the starting position. One common mistake we see while doing lunges is bending forward and the knee crosses the toe line, as you can see in this video. So keep your spine straight, look forward and make sure your knees are not crossing the toes. For this workout, inhale while going down and exhale while coming up. Beginners do this exercise of 10 to 12 reps on each side. For intermediate, do this exercise of 12 to 15 reps on each side. And advanced people do more than 15 reps on each side. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel. I will come with another video in the next week. Until then, stay tuned.